Talofa lava. Our unique and ancient language is an inseparable and beautiful part of our Samoa. These values are best expressed and preserved in our own original language. Like everywhere else, our island life is changing with technology, travel, and communication, but we love our island way. It's deeply important to make sure that what matters most in our way can last through the generations. I'm delighted to know that preserving our language is a true priority that is being put out front and center. Thank you to Director Pesita Tialunga Seloti and everyone involved. We have challenges in our future. Our people's populations in American Samoa and independent Samoa are small in a global sense. Preserving our language must be intentional. It deserves our commitment. Preserving history, culture, and heritage is always worthwhile, but this is so much more, not just keeping a record of it or a museum display. We have a language that is fully in use, a living language. Let's pull together to keep the Samoan language and culture flourishing. Perhaps a few 100,000 people speak this language, and we are the caretakers of it. We each have a part in handing down something of great value. This language belongs to us and binds Samoans together all over the world. Thank you for your efforts to preserve our special Samoan language. I want to voice my strong support for this noble goal. Soifua Maia Manuia.